kids, welcome to another class. Today we'll be looking at the meaning of data, method of representing data, and uses of data representation. First, let's see the meaning of data representation. Data are raw fact inputs to the computer. It can't be said to be information except processing has been done on it. Data can be represented by alphabets, numbers, and symbols. Method of representing data. The method for representing data are: we can represent data by using numbers, alphabets, symbols, images, audio, and also videos. Numbers. These include a range of digits 0 to 9. It is an effective way of itemizing about anything for reference on the computer. We have the alphabet. This is the range of the English alphabet A to Z. When these characters are combined together properly, a sensible document emerges. Now the other one is symbols. Symbols could be mathematical, currency, copyright, or trademark. There are very many of them and they are very important. We have the images. The use of image to represent data is almost compulsory. Pictures fall under this category of representation. The other one we have is the audio. Many messages are passed around through audio recordings, and this is believed to be an important way of passing information to an audience. The last one we have is the video. This is the best way of passing information across, especially in an academic form, that's academia. Let's see the uses of data representation. First, we have the presentation, creating and editing documents, calculations, and drawings. Presentation here has to do with having data represented as a slideshow. You can represent data by calculating and also drawing.
What is data? Now let's learn about data. This short library video will introduce you to databases. You will learn what data is, why we use it, and how it is collected. Data is everywhere. It is a collection of facts. There is a qualitative data which is non-numerical. Data latte has a robust aroma frozen, appearance and strong taste. It is in a blue cup. This is qualitative data. Qualitative data can be used to classify or categorize something. For example, if we have a box of shirts, we might collect shirt size data. The categories such as small, medium, large, and another examples of categorical data could include hair color. There's also quantitative data referring to a number that the latte contains 12 ounces of drink. Is served at 150 degrees Fahrenheit and cost $4.95. There are two different types of quantitative data. This discrete data, which is a count and involves all of numbers, for instance, the number of children or adults or pets in your family. This is a discrete because it has two. You can't have 2.5 kids or 1.2 pets. There's also continuous data. There is numerical data, any value in a certain range such as height or temperature. So why do we use data? We use data for different reasons. Data can be used to answer a question or tell a story. Having a question can provide focus and make it easier to find pattern within the data. For example, student that spends a lot of time on social media or poor grades, you can also use data to tell a story. For example, when telling the story of climate change using data, we might use global temperature, pattern circles, and greenhouse gases. Finally, how do we collect data? We collect data from primary and secondary sources. Primary sources is a data collected by researchers, such as interviews, observation cases, studies, and questionnaires. Secondary sources data that already exist, such as official statistics web, information government reports, and previous research.
Wow, I hope you enjoyed today's class. Now,
It's time to say goodbye. Can't wait to see you in my next class. Bye.